Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Uniswap, I bought Uniswap $50,000 worth yesterday, and that pumped. I shared it on my Twitter, which was a great buy. I'm going to show you as well. I'm going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin and Uniswap. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. If you're skeptical of what I do on my videos, watch me. I've been trading for on these daily videos for 4 years on YouTube. And yesterday, I think I had one of the all-time highest views, 6,000 views on yesterday's video on YouTube, and almost 7,000 on Twitter. Really amazing views. Thank you for everyone watching. Hit the subscribe button. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Bitcoin at 66k. I was warning about this drop for a long time, and that played out. It was very clear on the daily charts. You could see this big inverse rising wedge that was playing out. Rising wedge is a bearish pattern, builds pressure and breaks down. So that's why I was warning about going long on Bitcoin for a while. Anyone that went long up here got nuked out. So my ideas about waiting till 63 or 59 were correct. We came pretty close. We came down to 65,000. Big support area here and bounce, but little volume coming in and not much of a bounce. Let's go into the weekly charts. Each candlestick represents 1 week, so we zoomed out a little bit to see the bigger picture. And you can see in the weekly, 4th to 5th wave is in play, and you can see, so I am expecting a bit more of a move. However, you can see a clear double top and a clear rising wedge that is breaking down. So be cautious. Crypto Guru Bot fired a blue buy in February 2023, and it's still blue buy now from 21k. You get it in the Crypto Master Course. Stochastic heading down. On the daily, Stochastic oversold. I would still wait for my best bet. Like the big long is at 59k, smaller long at 63k, and that's really where I want to catch a strong bounce on Bitcoin. Let's go close on the 4 hourly. Clear double top back then on the 4 hourly. You could see 1, 2 double top, and then just free fall. Volume starting to come in a little bit, but it's on the sell side. The big volume is on the sell side. You can see every time there's a volume spike, it's selling. Every time here there's a volume spike, it's selling. Every time here volume spike, it's selling. The buys is very low. So Bitcoin is easy going to go down to this 59k. And I've been saying this for a few months actually, or a few weeks. This yellow trend line, I think even a month now that I've been calling this 58k. So congratulations anyone that followed. So again, I've got 2 trades, one opening at 63k on this major support, stop loss 62,500, take profit 88k. Risk to reward is 43 times, and this one 30 times, opening at 59k. You can sign up to Bybit. They give you a $30,000 bonus, and those are the other exchanges I use if you use this link, or take the Crypto Master Course to get the Crypto Guru Bot and learn all of this. Take all the courses, otherwise you're just gambling. Take the Stock Guru Master Course to learn more in-depth trading. Both Crypto Master Course, Stock Guru Master Course have in-depth technical analysis training, and the laws of money teaches you about once you get wealthy. And then join us in the Telegram. Over on Bybit, you can see I've got these 2 Bitcoin trades. My account 599,573. I've got a Doge trade, 1 million Doge at 10 cents. 107 Bitcoin 63k, 2 Bitcoin, 10 Bitcoin 58k. And on spot buys, I've got Pocket at 0.04 cents to buy a lot of. I've got World to buy at $2.10, now $3.30, still dropping. Lucky I closed those positions. Doge, I've got 11 cents at also dropping. Lucky I closed those positions. This account 599,563. Why? Because I was mainly in cash, so I didn't have much of a fall. And I actually went up. Yesterday, I bought Uniswap. I tweeted about this. So this was 12 hours ago. Bought $50,000 of Uniswap. Volume growing, inverse head and shoulders on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and the daily. And I bought $50,000 worth of Uniswap yesterday, and I posted on Twitter. You could see it was at $10.90 inverse head and shoulders. And you can see that inverse head and shoulders playing out. And then once you forward 12 hours, you can see Uniswap already played out like I said, and it hit my first target. So when I posted it, we were at $10.90 and the target was $11.89, and 12 hours later you could see it hit that target perfectly. It literally touched my target at $11.89. You seeing this? We made 13%. It literally touched 11.89 to the cent. Look at that. Or just underneath 11.87. So, or 88. Yeah, 2 cents. I was 2 cents off hitting the target. Like, look at that. And this was the post 12 hours ago. So you can see here 7:30 p.m. 12 hours ago. bought 50,000 uni with the target of $11.89. $11.89, and then 12 hours later it literally touched $11.89. But I'm still holding my uni. Why? I've got a few big bullish patterns here. One, W formation that's forming on uni, which usually breaks to the upside, the base of the W. Another one, inverse head and shoulders forming on uni, that's already completed, going the base of the head. The base of the head is the target. Another pattern on Uniswap is this massive descending triangle, huge descending triangle that you can see here, that builds pressure, and breaks out. The base of the triangle is the distance. So the base of this triangle is how far I expect uni to go, and my target on Uniswap after this breakout is $13. Volume is growing though, that's why I'm holding on to my position. And over on Bybit you can see my position. I'm mainly in cash though, 24k cash here, 64k here in derivatives, and spot 340. So I'm 340 plus 63, so 64, 340, 404 plus 25, 404. So I'm like 430 in cash out of 600. So I'm only 170k in cash. So I'm mostly in cash. So you can see here I'm holding 1% Doge, 66% USDT, 16% MCRT, 10% Uni. I deleveraged all my positions like over the weeks, and I'm mainly in cash to buy the extreme fear dips. And I've got my buy orders. I've got 86k MCRT up a little bit. I've got Uniswap 51,800 up 6%. Doge, Bitcoin 13k, Pocket 5k, Doge and World. And I've got those buy orders set up. So let's quickly just scan. So Pocket trying to hold 0.09. Volume not coming in though. So I do expect 0.87. My buy target on we're going to get a big bounce here, I would say, on Pocket at 0.08. It could bottom there, but the volume is not telling me it's bottoming. And if it keeps panicking, there's nothing that stops it. All the alts that pumped, the liquidity was going to the ETF. So even though the alts pumped, there's not much buying trying to support them. They're just free falling. Lucky we got out of WorldCoin, all my positions when I've been warning. Congratulations if you listen to me. I literally sold in March and I warned everyone. You can see here over on my X, I told everyone, you can see here, Bitcoin and Doge warning. I sold on 17th of March. So, and the 7,000 people, on this, 129,000 of you saw this video when I sold in March. When I closed, it already moved. $180,000 in the profits. 65788. Let's close it at 65788. And that's when I closed all my positions in March. 129,000 of you watched that. And I've also been warning for a while, saying be careful that it can fall down, and we have been dropping massively. As I said, you put out more knowledge in a 10-minute video than they do in an entire year. I'm so blessed I get to soak up your wealth and knowledge. Thanks for everything. You're welcome. 2 hours later on Uniswap, it pumped out. Congratulations, Uni. Let's go. 11 hours, 12 hours ago. Bought $50,000. Uni. Where USDT 1 billion was printed at USDT. Volume fading after the bounce. I haven't bought in heavy yet. Rising wedges and low volume everywhere. Be careful. This was on Doge. You see a rising wedge on Doge, which is a bearish pattern. You see also a rising wedge on WorldCoin, which is also a bearish pattern. And everything's been free falling since I said that. That's my updates in the market. I've got my buy orders ready to accumulate. On spot, I've got my buy orders ready at Pocket at 0.04, World at $2.10, Doge at 11 cents, Bitcoin at 58k, and I've got my leverage trades on Doge, Bitcoin at 63k, 2 Bitcoin and 58. Let's increase this actually because it's starting to stabilize. No. Okay, let's keep it as 2 Bitcoin at 63, 10 Bitcoin at 58. That's my updates in the market. Everyone, hope you learn a lot. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Congratulations, anyone that sold with me in March or deleveraged out the last few months. Everyone else got wrecked. They were all saying that the top's not in, go heavy long, buy the dip, etc. I was warning, get out for the last few months, and we traded the bounces very well. Congratulations, all of you. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. If you're skeptical, watch my videos, learn from me. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.